When your Grundig dishwasher isn't draining properly, the first step is to check the display panel for error codes. Modern Grundig models from 2023 to 2025 feature smart diagnostic systems that show specific drainage error codes. Next, listen carefully during the drain cycle for any unusual sounds. A properly functioning drain pump should operate quietly, while grinding or excessive humming indicates potential blockages or pump issues. Open your dishwasher and inspect the bottom for standing water. Clear water indicates a simple blockage, while cloudy or debris-filled water suggests more significant filter contamination. Grundig dishwashers use a 3-tier filter system consisting of a coarse filter, fine filter, and microfilter. These work together to trap food debris and prevent it from clogging the drain pump. To clean the filters, first remove the bottom rack to access the filter assembly. Unscrew the cylindrical fine filter counterclockwise, lift out the coarse filter assembly, and remove the microfilter screen. Finally, check the drain hose installation. The hose should be positioned at a height of 20 to 24 inches and should not have any kinks or bends that could restrict water flow. According to industry experts, regular filter cleaning every 2 to 3 weeks can prevent 80% of drainage issues. This simple maintenance routine will keep your Grundig dishwasher running smoothly and avoid costly repairs.